Today, I want to share my personal journey with you, a story of resilience, finding balance, and embracing our passions. I'm not claiming to have a foolproof formula for achieving work-life balance, nor do I assert that my own life is perfect. What I want to convey is the importance of daily practice and making progress every single day towards finding a reasonable and acceptable level of peace in your life. This is my story. A decade ago, I left everything I knew behind and embarked on a journey to Canada, fueled by the dream of creating a better life for myself. The road was tough, and at times, I felt isolated and lonely. But I never gave up. I knew deep down that there was more to life than just work and survival. Fast forward to today, and I found my place as a digital nomad, working remotely as an engineer for a tech company based in Silicon Valley. This lifestyle has given me the freedom to explore my passions beyond the office walls. It's a beautiful blend of my professional aspirations and my love for the mountains. Finding work-life balance was a game changer for me. I realized that dedicating time to my passions not only made me happier, but also enhanced my productivity and creativity at work. It's a delicate dance, but I discovered that nurturing my personal interest brought a sense of fulfillment and purpose to every aspect of my life. For me, the mountains are my sanctuary, a place where my soul finds solace, where I push my limits, and where I discover my true self. Whether it's training for mountain running races, embarking on epic hikes, or simply immersing myself in the wonders of nature, these experiences ignite a fire within me. Through sharing my story on YouTube, my true desire is to inspire others who crave a balance in their lives. I want you to know that it's possible to pursue your passions while still excelling in your day job. In this channel, my hope is to provide practical tips on creating that sacred space for your true calling. So, let's together make a pact to carve out time for what truly brings us joy. Let's challenge the notion that work should consume our lives, and instead create a harmonious blend of passion and profession. Together, we can inspire a movement that values the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment. Trust me, I'm not here to sound like woo-woo, but remember, life is too short to postpone your dreams.